Sir, thank you so much, sir, for teaching me this, and I am also grateful for this. And I learned English from you, and now I am able to speak with you. So, sir, please tell me your name. We all know, but
Well, my name is Bhuvan Budani, and first of all, I would say thanks to Mr. Ajay for coming here. He has been our student, and we are really proud of him because we remember the first day when he started here. So he was really not that much good at English, as he has studied from Hindi medium.
hello and welcome in a new video. My name is Ajay. Today I am here in English Asian School of Learning English. So here I have some students who are coming here to learn English. So I am going to ask some question and I am going to take the interview of them. So let's see what happens and what they speak about it. So what's your name, brother?
My name is Hitesh Tripathi.
Hitesh
Tripathi.
Tripathi. So what are you doing?
I am completed my master's degree in electrical engineering from GPPUT Kannada.
For how long have you been coming here?
Approx 2 or 3 days.
So what's your experience about the coaching and what do you think that how much you have improved
In this coaching institute, the nature of the study behavior and environment is very better than another coaching. So that's why I am coming here to improve English.
is your first time to come here or you have joined it?
I have joined in previous year.
So means you
That time I am rejoining this coaching.
okay, that's good. What is your name, brother?
My name is Saurabh.
Yes. So what are you doing?
I am a student and I am pursuing from BSc program in PG College Pakistan
So for how long have you been coming here?
for last 2 months.
So are you seeing improvement in yourself or not?
Yes, improvement.
Okay, that's good. So what is your name, brother?
My name is Ayush.
Ayush Vist. So what are you doing nowadays?
I am passed out 12th from SAT and I am doing BA first year from PG College.
Okay, that's good. So from girls side, I want to start from you. So what's your name? Sorry,
My name is Yashoda.
Yasuda. What are you doing nowadays?
I am in this coaching.
Do you go to college? Yeah.
No, I am postgraduate.
Oh, that's good. Are you preparing for any competitive exams?
Yes,
For what?
UPSC exam.
Good, that's good. What's your name?
My name is Janvi Joshi.
Okay. So are you student? Yeah, you are.
I'm mental as well as nowadays I'm learning English.
Okay. So I was seeing to you that your English is very good. So how did you practice of English? How did you practice of your English from going to home?
I am reading newspaper. Sometimes I'm watching video. Sometimes I'm watching English songs.
So what's your name?
My name is Mamta.
Mamta Gadia. So what are you doing?
Nowadays, I have been learning English for 2 months and I am a student.
Okay, what do you do? BA, BSc, BCom.
I will do BSc
Okay, from where?
from University.
Okay, that's good. What's your name, brother?
My name is Saurabh.
So what are you doing, brother?
I am doing admin nowadays.
So what do you do?
I am a student. I am pursuing from the program in PG College. And I improve my personality. So I come here and learning.
Okay, that's good. And so do you go to college regular? Yeah, you are
I
open.
go to college
So when do you go to college after going to here?
after going here.
Okay, that's good. I wish you all the best for your future. So guys, I took the experience of all students. They are talking about how much they have improved. Some students are new here and some have done their 1 month and 2 months here. So they are in the phase of learning. So I hope that they will be speaking good and sir is also here for them. Sir will teach them and if they will practice, so they will become fluent in English. So I have some question for sir sir, thank you so much, sir, for teaching me this, and I am also grateful for this. And I learned English from you, and now I am able to speak with you. So, sir, please tell me your name. We all know, but
Well, my name is Bhuvan Budani, and first of all, I would say thanks to Mr. Ajay for coming here. He has been our student, and we are really proud of him because we remember the first day when he started here, so he was really not that much good at English as he has studied from Hindi medium. So the very first day, but he was very excited, and luckily he got good batches from which he improved himself a lot. And I don't say like now he has become perfect. Even I am also not perfect. I have been teaching for a long time, but yeah, we are very happy that he is still practicing, struggling, and now in this form, like on YouTube platform, he is trying to shoot his video and using English language. So that's great.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And for how long have you been running this coaching, sir?
Well, it's been more than 10 years I have been running this institution, and I would say I have been enjoying. It's my hobby, it's my passion, and I really love teaching and speaking in English.
So I have seen lots of students now who was starting from the zero, and now they have become good at English. So sir, what do you think that means when you see a student who has come here in the first day and when he leaves the coaching, so how many differences are between it?
Well, actually, it's been a long journey, so I have like come across many students, and to be very honest, not each and everybody who is joining here has improved a lot. It all depends on your practice, your sincerity, your perseverance, and your hard work. If you are truly putting your efforts, then definitely you are bound to improve yourself and learn English. And in most of the cases, we have seen great changes, drastic changes even in some students. Like we can take your example also, because you participated from your side very nicely. So there are so many students like you whose participation and contribution is really very good. And of course, there are great changes. They have become very fluent speaker, not only in terms of like communication, but there are changes and improvements in every aspect of life. Like they are becoming more positive thinker. There is improvement in their attitude. There is improvement in their daily behavior. So lots of changes are there.
Okay, thank you, sir. Also, sir has a YouTube channel and go and subscribe. That is Eastern School of Learning. So go and subscribe and then improve the subscribers, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much,
Once
sir.
again.
Yes. So now with these words, I would like to end the video. Thank you.